Reviewing the microscopic analysis now. The color registration on the latest run is flawless according to the AI. The partially printed sheets enter giant intaglio presses, where engraved steel plates press raised security ink deep into the currency paper using enormous.
Carefully regulated airflow and temperature permanently cure the specialized security inks.
The thickness on this batch seems slightly off the baseline.
It's within the acceptable deviation, but let's double-check the watermark alignment. Fills. Robotic packaging machines tightly compress every bundle of Euro banknotes before wrapping them with official security bands.
Heavily protected currency containers are transferred into secure transport units under constant surveillance as digital tracking systems activate each shipment.